Peace and love, Moors. This is your brother Judah Son for Moorish Nationality Card Services and Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOTV, hashtag Put It Out There. You already know what it is. Thank you for allowing me to take up so much of your very valuable time. Let's cut through the niceties and the small talk. Okay, so if you are here, it is because of a multitude of reasons, of course. One, either you have seen our video on the Moorish Nationality Card Services YouTube page, the Moorish Nationality Card Services Instagram, Moorish Nationality Card Services Twitter, or we may have even sent you an email blast that got you to this point, which means that you are interested in getting information or being able to record your documents on the public record. And why is that an interest to you? Simple. Because we know, you know that there is an issue with Moors being able to get their documents recorded on the public record. So much so that when a Moor does come back and proclaim, hey, I got my documents on the public record, everybody wants to know what the magic process is in order for them to be able to get their documents recorded on the public record. And it's really just no magic process. The thing is, it should be as simple as, hey, I want to record these documents on the public record, and that's that. But what happens is Moors get fight from these public servants. They're acting like gatekeepers. They like to make up fake, fraudulent codes and policies that have nothing to do with the law, but everything to do with violating your rights. Or, it's just too expensive. It's just too expensive to cover these recording charges. And I get that. We all get that, right? But one thing that we do have knowledge of is that for the longest of time, since time immemorial, I guess I'm using that wrong, since there has been newspapers, people have been utilizing the newspaper to record declarations, proclamations, public notices, job offerings, things of this nature. We're all aware of the classifieds, and we're all aware of the legal notices and all these ads and things of this nature that have been in newspapers all of our lives. So I got to thinking 5 or 6 months ago, actually probably much further back than that, when Put It Out There TV got put together. I just let it slip my mind. But one of the ideas that I had when I was putting Put It Out There TV together was that I could have somewhere for Moors to be able to record their documents on the public record. No difference than when people are paying the newspaper to record documents in the public record, whether it's declarations, proclamations, name change notices, notices of lawsuits, notices of information going or property being in unclaimed funds, things of this nature, right? So I said we can do that too, but I forgot about it. And that's why we're here now. So to remedy the issue that Moors have been dealing with trying to get their documents recorded on the public record, specifically locations such as the county recorder, wherever they may domicile at, we are now going to be offering a service at Put It Out There TV, which is a news and media outlet, to where you can, for commercial compensation, pay us to upload your documents onto our website, onto our notices section. So as you can see here, we have a section specifically for notices. We have general public notices, legal notices, and then proclamations of nationality and name correction. Now, I want to make it clear, it is not limited to this. There are all types of documents that you may want to file that may not even have anything to deal with Moorish Nationality Card Services whatsoever at all. But if you want, you can pay us to put it on the public record for you. And trust me, it is not going to cost anything anywhere near what it costs to put it in a newspaper or a magazine, and you'll be able to get much more information out. Why? Because it is much more cheaper. How much more cheaper, you ask? Well, the only thing is here, Put It Out There TV is going to charge a one-time fee of $25. That is the setup fee, which is covering us putting the information on the website, and that is also covering the hosting, which is holding it on the website so that it is available for the public to be able to access it. So, you know, one of the rules, they say, well, you need to make sure this is on a public record and it's accessible by everybody. This is the World Wide Web. On Put It Out There TV, you do not have to have a username and or a password nor a password to access this particular portion of information on the website. Everything is pretty much public. All right, it's public, it's accessible by anybody. All right, now on top of that, beautiful thing is, especially if you are going to be looking to get yourself a Moorish National Identification Card down the line, all right, when we record your nationality declaration, proclamation, and name correction documents, we are going to give it an identification or a recording number that you will be able to use as an identification number on a Moorish National Identification Card that you may procure from us or someone else later on down the line. You will most definitely have the option to be able to use that recorder number as an identification number. All right. Now, let me show you something. So this is kind of what a post would look like. I didn't put any documents up, but basically, name change, nationality proclamation of Muhammad Ali Bey, whatever the case may be. All right, we'll have your photos. We can have your videos here. We can have your declaration and proclamation documents here in PDF and or image format, though we would prefer PDF. Now, if you don't know how to convert your documents into PDF so that we can upload it and embed it on to your posting, right, then we do offer service to where we will take your documents, all right, and convert it to PDF for you. That'll be an additional $5 charge, so $25 for the setup and hosting, $5 for converting the files over into PDF, because PDF will look much better besides photo. Now, if you want to use photos and you know how to convert and you know how to do all this stuff on your own, fine, but our only job is recording. But if you want us to do extra work, you are for sure going to pay that $5 for us to convert these documents into whatever format they need to be converted in order to be placed on our website. So either PDF or image format, either or. Okay, do it on your own, save $5. As simple as that. Okay, so if you are interested in being able to record your documents on the public record with PutItOutThereTV.com, then what you need to do is go below this video, follow those directions to the T. All right. Another thing I want to make clear is all payments will have to be made via Cash App, Venmo, or the options will be made available. So what you need to do, just go below this video. All the directions that you need to move forward will be made readily available to you. Look forward to seeing you on the other side. Look forward to answering any questions that you may have. All right. Peace and love.